After I create a video tutorial using Screencast-O-Matic, we're now going to go to the Rich Editor on Moodle. That's where I will submit my video tutorial. After I open the forum, you will see the directions here. This is what we're going to be looking at. Show the features available on the Rich Editor, upload your video, post your YouTube or Vimeo videos to the online discussion forums, and respond to one other person. This is what we'll see. So let's do that now. Add a new discussion topic. So I clicked on the blue icon. Here is what we should be seeing. Here you are. It says your new discussion topic, and my subject is Moodle MOOC 14 tutorial of possibilities. I'm going to say a little introduction, then I'll put in my video. In the meantime, I'm going to click on this Show Hide Advanced buttons. What is the I for? It is paragraph styles, and here they are. You can have a heading large. Let me put a heading large so you can see what that looks like. Moodle MOOC 14 Site Discoveries. That is just like you would do in any other editor. And the nice thing about the Moodle MOOC editor is it is a rich editor. You actually have some choices there. Once you get into this, you have a choice of two different types of editors, Moodle MOOC, and now I'm going to center that because it is a title, and you will enter in your little short description and whatever you want to do. So that's a paragraph styles, and then I use the bold, of course, italics. What is this? Now, do you see how when I hover over it, you can actually see the words that go with it, like background color? Let me pick this Moodle MOOC Site Discoveries. It's in black, so yellow would look good with that. Let's pick yellow. There you are. How's that? This is the font color. If I wanted to make it black in the background and white, I can do that. And then there are the font families. There's Arial, Times, Courier, Georgia, Verdana, and Trebuchet. I personally like Georgia the best. Sometimes I use Verdana. Today I'm just using the default, which is Arial. If we have lists, if we want to make a list of areas we observed. Okay, and what was a list of areas we just observed? Well, matter of fact, first let me do this. Make it bold, make it italicized, and then some of the important ones we'd observed. First off, we have week 1, week 2, week 3, etc. Now, the nice thing about that is I can take week 1 and week 2 and go back to that first page. Don't go out of this because you'll lose your work that you're doing. Here we are in our syllabus and introduction. Let's go to week 1, part 1. We're here now. I can take that and put a link with it. So let's do that under week 1. Oops, let's do something else. Part 1, P-A-R-T 1. Now part 1, we're going to bring it over. So it's a subset of week 1. There you are. Now if you have 1, you must have 2, or just don't worry about it. So in week 1, part 2, week 1, part 1, we've got a link. So I'm going to come over here, and the link, see where it says link? That is standard practice that you've seen in Word and all the others since the very beginning. Click on link, enter your URL, Control V, open in a new window, create link. There it is, week 1, part 1. Nice and easy. So if you want to make that even more detailed, you can. You also have the numbered list, ordered list. If you make a link and you don't want it to be there anymore, say I decided, oh, I'm not going to link that, I just come up here to unlink and it's gone. See, it's not going to turn red anymore. Import a Word file. You can do that. Insert an image. So let's insert an image. Now, if I have a URL, I can enter that. If I don't, I can pick one of these. Let's go to upload a file, see what I have. So we go to upload a file, list of professional development books. Upload this file. There it is. If you want to describe this for people who have sight problems, you can. I'll just say just what I named it. Professional development books. If you don't want to put anything in there, click on description, not necessary, and you'll be able to go on to save your image. So there's my image. All right, let's go back up. I can manage files. You can record audio. You can record video. You can insert or edit an audio or video file. So let's make an audio file. Hello, my name is Cheryl McCoy, and I am practicing inserting an audio file into my forum discussion. Stop recording. I can test it here. I don't know if you can hear that, but it came out really well. Let's go to attach the recording, and it should be down right there. There it is. All right. So you can add a picture, add an audio, make a video. Now when you make your video later, when I put my video in, I'm going to use this, and you see where it says link, video, audio. I'll pick video, and then I'll go to YouTube. I'll get my share my URL, and there's options it will take care of there, and then I'll insert it. Now we're going to move on. There's underlining, strike through. Here are subscripts. For instance, if I wanted to write H2O, this is what I would click on. H, let's do it. Let's see, H, 2, O. Whoops. Click it off. O. There it is. The next one, of course, is exponents or superscript. So I want to have 7 to the second power equals 49. There you are. 7 squared equals 49. Moving on, we have used this series of icons when I put my heading at the top of the page. It was left aligned. That's the default. I wanted to center it on the page, but there actually may be times when you need to right align something. So that's what I did there. Now this is outdent. That means moving your indent to the left, or indent, which I did earlier when I had the list, the bulleted list. Here is the equation editor. You can use that. Insert a character, a table, clear formatting. You can put emoticons in, which is especially nice when you still have this editor when you're writing messages to people in the Moodle MOOC. Of course, undo is my friend, right? And there's always redo, but that's not available because I haven't undone anything. Accessibility checker, screen reader helper. Some of those are for people who have issues with the sight. Insert a math equation. You have math type, which is good. And insert a chemistry formula. You have chem type. I can change this all to HTML, so I can actually look at the code. I could add something in, change a color. Let's go up to the top. See where you have text align center. I could change that to right or left. So most of you already know about HTML, and if you need to know what these words mean, you can look them up. I found out knowing some HTML terms helped me. Now I want to get out of that, so I click off of it. There, I'm back to seeing what is interpreted through the HTML. There's another record audio and another record video. Draw a picture, take a picture, insert a widget. So if you insert a widget, you can have a stopwatch, a Poodle calculator, or YouTube. And that pretty much sums it all up. I have my message, I have my pictures, I'm going to insert my video right here. And then once I do that, I come down. So if I want, I can enter tags. Usually I enter Moodle, MOOC, and whatever the MOOC is that I'm working on, 14 in this instance. Then I put a comma, and then I'll say something like teacher development. or some such thing. And then once I'm done, I click Post to Forum. Once you click Post to Forum, you will have 30 minutes to go back in and edit, or even just delete the whole thing if it doesn't look good. So that's pretty much it. That's all you need to do. And then once you post a forum, then you just get everyone else will get an information that you've entered something in the forum, and they'll come and take a look at it. So good luck to you. It's pretty straightforward. I hope you enjoyed this, and I hope I was able to help.